Hi everyone, if you're wanting to get into mosaics but you're unsure where to begin and you're confused about all the different adhesives, the tools, the substrates and the different materials, well then this video will help you. I'm going to sort through all that so that you can have the confidence to start in mosaics. But bear in mind this is based on my opinions and my experience in the mosaics because there's always more than one way to do a mosaic. But anyway, let's get into it and I'm going to show you that right now. One of the words you will hear when starting in mosaics is the word tessera, or tess for short. They are the pieces that go on top of your mosaic substrate that help form the mosaic. For instance, they can be mirror tile, they can be vitreous tile, they can be stained glass, it can be smalty. Virtually anything that goes on top of the substrate that helps form the mosaic will be classed as tessera, or tess for short. One of the things that people do tend to do when they go into starting mosaics is that they go out and they buy everything, even before they've thought about the project. Don't do that, because you generally end up with a whole heap of tessera that you won't be using. You generally end up with substrates that you don't know how to prepare and the wrong adhesives and the wrong tools. So you just need to think about the project first. Is it going to be an outside project or an inside project? And what are you going to use for the materials? What type of tessera are you going to be using for it? And what colours? That then allows you to go and start buying things so that you buy the right tools, so that you buy the right tessera and you buy the right colours. Because really at the end of the day, eventually you're going to end up with quite a large stash of materials that you have bought. And those materials will end up being quite useful for you. If you go out and you buy stuff before you've even thought about it, or you've even worked in doing mosaics for a while, you'll end up with things that you probably won't use because you won't like how they cut, or you don't like that colour, or you've decided that those plates aren't any good. So it's very advisable to think about the project first before you buy anything. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you did, have a look at the other ones in the series starting in mosaics. Thank you for watching.